Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Sign into Facebook using the official app or desktop site because layout differs by platform. Once logged in, open the main menu and choose Settings and Privacy, then Settings. This route puts you where Connected Apps Live. Make sure to locate the Apps and Websites or Apps label. It often appears under Security or Account Settings. Don't stop here. Keep the account owner credentials ready so you can view app permissions and begin reviewing what each app can access. Once done with the settings page, scroll the apps list carefully. You'll see active, expired, and removed groups. Focus on active first because those apps can access live data. Click each app to inspect permission details, notice what data it can read or post, and why that matters for privacy. If an app asks for excessive permissions, use Remove to cut access immediately or Edit to limit what it can see. Make sure to repeat this for all suspicious or unused apps to reduce risk. Finish by verifying that removals took effect. Check the logged in with Facebook history and revoke any lingering tokens that may persist. Once you remove an app, make sure to clear your browser cache or relogin so changes sync across devices. If an app reappears, act quickly. Change your Facebook password, review active sessions, and enable two-factor authentication to block unauthorized reconnections. One key troubleshooting tip: if permissions won't update, revoke access and contact Facebook support while documenting the steps you took.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.